Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can set up money.com for construction schedule. So one way is to do it manually, but it is complex and you'd have to add a lot of boards, a lot of columns, and especially if you're a beginner, it is not recommended to do so because you may get lost in the process. So what you have to do is you have to use a pre-built template that is very useful, and you can access templates by going into main workspace, clicking this blue button, and then clicking choose from templates. Here you have to search for roadmap, and once you search roadmap, scroll down and there you see construction roadmap template. You have to select it and you have to select use template, and it will set up the template. Once the template is set up, as you can see, it has created a board for us, and in this board it has added different groups, like it has added initiation, design and planning, bidding and procurement, execution and construction, closeout. And you can add other groups if you like, but these groups are more than enough to get started. And you can see there are a lot of columns in these groups, like budget spend, budget status, budget gaps, total budget, location, linked project, and you can add other columns if you like. But like, this template is very useful to get started, and you can use this template to get started with your construction projects. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.